This model kit review is of the Bell X-1, the original Glamorous Glennis, and this was the first plane to break the speed of sound and survive. And this is a 1/32nd scale model by Revell. I actually think this is Revell of Germany. They're the dimensions, and not really any details on the side, but on the back here we have some pictures of the finished model with some details there. It looks very nice, and the colors needed there. So let's have a look inside here. Wow, this is a nice large model. So let's have a look at our sprues. This is actually a very nice large model. Look at that. So we do have some raised panel lines. Here's our little wheel well, and we've got some wings, and this looks like this is probably going to be the right wing, and wheel well covers there. There's our nose wheel. That's probably going to be our main gear. And this is our horizontal stabilizer. Let's have a look here. Some nice detail there. And over here is our instrument panel. Here's the other side of the fuselage with the hatch that's open so you can see inside. Here are our wheels. And here's the other wing. And some little details here for inside, hopefully. And here's our pilot and his arm, and some details for the inside of the cockpit. And there's our pilot's body. And then over here looks like we're going to have part of our, that's our cockpit seat there. That's some very nice detail. Over here we have our cockpit glass. Okay. So let's take a look at our instructions now. Here are all the colors needed. And there's our parts listing. And looks like we start off with the cockpit here. And then our pilot is put together and assembled in the cockpit. Next we're going to start off with our nose wheel assembly. And looks like our 4 rockets out the back. I'm not sure why we have all that detail if you can't see it, but it's nice to have detail. You just want to be able to see it. We mount our cockpit inside the fuselage, starting our instrument panel there, and then put our fuselage together. We start to build our main gear and wheels, wheel well covers, and then this looks like it's part of our nose gear. Okay, then our wings go together. they're then mounted on the fuselage as well as our glass. Although that's probably my last, one of the last things I do. Our Pitot tubes are mounted. Here we've got our stabilizer, and it looks like they've got that. That's what that clear support is for. Probably because you need to add some weight to the nose. And then here's the decal and paint guide. So that is the original one before it was actually flown. Sorry, one was flown by Chuck Yeager, the Glamorous Glennis, and top and bottom view. Now over here are some other options, it looks like. So all in all, oh wait, here we go. Here are our decals, very large and very nicely printed, actually. So all in all, that's gonna be a great model to build.